Dear investors, my name is Aleksi Lehtonen, and today I'm delighted to share with you who we are at Aktia, our updated strategic direction and acceleration program for value creation, in addition to our updated financial targets for the new strategy period until the end of 2029. But first, I will answer the important question: why would you, as an investor, invest in Aktia and include Aktia in your portfolio? I will answer this question by addressing 5 elements. Firstly, we have a unique market position defined by a strong customer base in our core segments with particularly high customer satisfaction. We are an award-winning wealth manager with top-tier expertise, and we were the first bank in Finland to successfully renew the core banking system already in 2017. That said, we are a financially robust wealth manager and a bank with a well-diversified earnings mix. Our share of net commission and life insurance income exceeds 50% of the total income. And in addition, we have shown strong focus on capital efficiency together with prudent risk management practices and resilient capital adequacy. Secondly, through our strategic priorities, we will succeed where it matters the most. In active wealth management, winning in strategic customer segments, and by ensuring a true Aktia experience. Thirdly, we've launched a strategy acceleration program where we boost the execution of our updated strategy to increase operating profit run rate with 10 focused operative streams to accelerate the respective business operations. Thereafter, we've set new financial targets for the new strategy period. Our return on equity target is above 15%, and our gross assets under management target above 25 billion euros by the end of 2029. On our journey, our net commission income will grow by more than 5% annually. Lastly, our track record in paying dividends is very solid. We have consistently distributed 60% or more, and for 2024, the board of directors suggests a record dividend of 60 million euros or 60% of the comparable profit. And now we have updated our capital and dividend policies, also opening up for extra dividends or share buybacks should we have excess capital to distribute. We Actians, as we call ourselves, we are extremely proud of our long banking heritage. For 200 years, we have been building wealth and well-being throughout the society. And during these years, we have developed a stable and strong foundation on which to build the future of Aktia. As of now, we have 266,000 private customers and 24,000 corporate and institutional customers, which we serve through our 3 business areas: asset management, banking, and life insurance. We have around 850 employees and 42,000 shareholders. Our foundation is solid. We have a profitable business and a portfolio of 14 billion net assets under management. Let me now describe our journey from a financial point of view. When taking a look at Aktia's journey in the past 15 years, we clearly see how we have developed the strong foundation. Our efforts have allowed us to significantly increase our profits, transform ourselves into a wealth manager, and at the same time increase our efficiency and return on equity. So how does this compare to our new targets? Last year was strong for Aktia. When we compare to 2024 results with the long-term financial targets we had for 2025, we are proud to tick all the boxes 1 year ahead. The comparable operating profit for 2024, 124.5 million euros, is one of the strongest in Aktia's and its predecessors' history. And the comparable return on equity of 15% is indeed a good achievement. Our focus on asset management has so far been fruitful. We have repeatedly, year after year, been recognized for our excellent world-class wealth management, our flagship products, our expert allocation vision, and our top-tier manager selection expertise. And through our Asset Management Plus funds, all of our customers can now benefit from our excellent institution-level expertise. This expertise is central to our success. Investors want the opportunity to choose, and so our offering must be of the highest quality. Now, we will accelerate our growth and value creation journey to become a leading wealth manager empowered by a strong banking heritage. Our operating environment is supporting us, and we expect the pace of this development to increase going forward. We have witnessed a growth in investable wealth in Finland over the past years. First and foremost, this is something that I'm very pleased to see from a societal perspective. Simply put, Finland needs more growth. And of course, this situation offers a very interesting opportunity for a wealth manager such as us. We have already seen an uptick in active wealth management revenues. We see this trend to increase amid growing investable wealth. At Aktia, we find ourselves in a good position to face the increasing demand for wealth management services. In private customer focus segments, i.e. premium banking and private banking, we already have a much bigger market share, more than double compared with our overall mortgage market share. This is a great example of our strong market position within wealthy individuals. Hence, we are well positioned in this growing yet competitive market. And now, we will accelerate our journey. We have a strong strategic foundation and a unique market position in place. We have robust financials with a strong historical track record. We've maintained a growing trajectory in operating profit and dividend. Today, we have a new and committed leadership team at Aktia to drive the cultural transformation needed to reach our new targets. This will mean changing the way we work and how we follow up on our targets. In addition to the cultural shift, we launched a strategy acceleration program to accelerate the needed change. We will put more effort to the execution of our value creation plan to ensure that we capture the growth in the profitable areas we have identified. Let me now describe the program in more detail. With the acceleration program, we will strengthen the execution on our value creation plan, and this will ultimately result in a high-quality recurring boost in our operating profit. We have identified 10 focused streams with numerous initiatives where we can see the biggest potential for growth and operating profit increase. We will drive growth where it matters the most. The biggest impact can be realized from the 6 business-oriented growth streams within core clientele, where we see growth pictured here in green. This will be supported by other initiatives such as operational efficiency, IT, and balance sheet optimization. We will take an active role in capturing growth by driving momentum in premium banking, private banking, small and medium-sized companies, and institutional segments. To win in these segments, we will build on our existing capabilities to strengthen the value proposition, build on our offering, leverage outbound sales, and enhance cross-sales opportunities. In addition, a major enabler will be new customer acquisition, which will be in focus in all our focus segments. As a concrete example, we will significantly increase the number of customer meetings, especially with potential premium customers. Another example is the development of scalable solutions for discretionary wealth management, combining best-in-class in-house expertise with world-leading third-party products. And in addition, our service model for institutional customers has been redesigned and is more concrete. Our international distribution network is being rebuilt, and our in-house expertise in alternative investments has been notably strengthened, and we are planning a clear expansion of our alternative product offering. Furthermore, we will streamline our retail service model to build an efficient and high-quality service model, and we will utilize the full breadth of Aktia's offering to boost life insurance through improved cross-selling. All this will be supported by our continuous efforts in data and technology to enable growth in a scalable and efficient way, as well as the needed cultural shift. We are confident that through these 10 streams in the program, we will be able to achieve a recurring operating profit run rate increase of 20 million euros by the end of 2026. And now let's take a look at our new long-term financial targets. First, we aim to reach return on equity above 15% by the end of 2029. And it's important to note that we will be able to generate this even in a lower interest rate environment. Secondly, we've set ourselves a target of gross assets under management exceeding 25 billion euros by the end of 2029, reflecting our high ambition in this. The third financial target is growing our net commission income in an organic way by more than 5% per annum throughout the strategy period. And here, our ambition really is to grow our capital-light business lines. Combined with these targets, we've also updated our dividend and capital policy. Our dividend policy target is to distribute 60% of the annual profit to our shareholders. In addition, we are more specific in stating that the capital which can be considered as an excess may be distributed back to our shareholders in the form of extra dividends or share buybacks. What comes to capitalization, we target a core equity tier 1 ratio being 2 to 4 percentage points above our regulatory requirement. We firmly believe that strong capitalization is an important competitive factor for Aktia. And with this target range, we can provide clarity of what we mean by CET1 ratio that corresponds to a prudent and at the same time efficient level of capitalization. We also guide that typically we would expect to operate at the higher end of this range. To reiterate, we have ambitious targets in place, and we have a thorough plan which we are committed to execute. Let me now introduce our key priorities, which are closely linked to the already mentioned 10 work streams in our acceleration program. First, active wealth management. We will support our customers to grow and transfer wealth with clear long-term plans and holistic approach. This will be very much supported by a big generational shift in wealth, which is inevitable. We will leverage our strengths and further develop our product offering and other capabilities to capture this opportunity. Secondly, winning in strategic segments. We will take an active role in driving success in premium and private banking segments, SMEs, and institutional clients. This is nothing new to us. As stated, our market share in premium private banking is more than double compared to the overall mortgage market share in Finland. Thirdly, the Aktia experience, combining the employee and customer satisfaction into one. Here, we are also making a cultural shift. It all starts and ends with our customers. We empower our skilled employees to deliver tailored financial solutions. A cultural shift is key to enhancing both customer and employee experience. And all this will be enabled by our investments into data and technology. We will uplift the digital customer experience and strengthen our data and technology foundation to enable the growth in a scalable and an efficient way. And finally, I'd like to talk about sustainability. Sustainability is not an overlay to our business. It is something that we believe is an integral part of our business. Our ambition is to build sustainable wealth for our customers, investors, society, and ultimately for a better world. This is a key area for us where we are happy to say that we have already made concrete progress towards our targets. And hence I'm proud to say already for the full year 2024, we were well ahead of our 2025 target to reduce our carbon footprint. And at the same time, a large majority, i.e. 98% of the capital invested in our funds is invested in responsible funds according to the SFDR Articles 8 and 9. We'll continue to be an active player in here, and we will present an updated sustainability program later this year with the related new targets. To sum up, let me finish where I started. We have a unique position in the market with a strong customer base in our core segments. And we are an award-winning wealth manager. Our financials are robust with a well-diversified earnings mix and strong focus on capital efficiency. Through our strategic priorities, we are going to succeed where it matters the most. active wealth management, winning in strategic segments, and ensuring the true Aktia experience. We've launched a strategy acceleration program, which we expected to increase operating profit run rate with 20 million euros by the end of 2026. And we have set new ambitious financial targets for the strategy period. Lastly, we are a good and reliable dividend payer, and now we have updated our capital and dividend policies, also opening up for extra dividends and share buybacks should we have excess capital to be distributed. Thank you for your interest in Aktia and our journey. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact our investor relations team. Thank you very much for watching.